Most teams already have their data sitting in Google Sheets. Sales numbers, a weekly performance, monthly trends. The problem isn't the data. It's turning that data into something meaningful, fast. Let's take this Google Sheet. It's a simple timeline of performance numbers. On its own, it's just rows and columns. Now, instead of manually building charts, guessing trends, or formatting visuals, we will connect this sheet to EasyAIBridge. I've already connected my account to EasyAIBridge, and let's move on to Dashboard. You can upload your Excel or CSV files, or connect your Google Sheets. I've already connected mine. I will select the dataset that I'm working on, and let's just use Smart Ask. I've written my prompt, and let's ask EasyAIBridge to create a graph. EasyAIBridge instantly generates a clear line graph that shows me the trends, peaks, dips, and patterns that aren't obvious from the raw sheet. I can see my line graphs compared with different values, such as month versus total revenue, number of orders over time. There are not only lines, but there's also a summary in easy plain words to help you understand your graph. Now, the best part is that I can also share this chart with my team. I can share it in an image or vector format. Today, I'll choose image. Instead of spending time building graphs, you spend time making decisions. Instead of explaining charts, you can discuss the actions. If you already use Google Sheets, EasyAIBridge helps you go from data to insight faster with clarity. Don't forget to get your free trial.